Keep loving him and treating him well because he found the right person in me, and I also found the right person in him. I'm very happy to finally have this day. Ciao.